PFAFF is turning 160, so to celebrate, they're ushering in a new era of sewing with the Creative Icon 2 sewing and embroidery machine. The PFAFF Creative Icon 2 is the first sewing and embroidery machine in the world to be engineered with artificial intelligence. So what does that mean? It means that it learns from you as you sew. It actually uses your Alexa-enabled device for voice control, so you can tell it what you want to see on the screen. This machine comes with over 800 stitches, but it also features Stitch Creator, which allows you to customize or create your own stitches. With a built-in help center to learn techniques and watch tutorials, you'll master the Creative Icon 2 in no time. For all my fellow embroidery fans, if the 873 built-in embroidery designs aren't enough for you, the Creative Icon 2 offers on-screen access to the My SewNet library to choose from over 7,000 more designs. Plus, you get the largest area on the market with the included Creative Grand Dream Hoop. The machine is also compatible with the Creative Embellishment attachment, which allows you to create unique 3D effects with your embroidery, such as adding ribbon, yarn, and pearls. It also includes a built-in projector featuring an adjustable grid and guidelines, so you can easily align stitching with any part of your project, perfect for embroidery, top stitching, and tapering. For more information about the Creative Icon 2 sewing and embroidery machine from PFAFF, visit the link below. Discover a new dimension of connection with the Creative Icon 2.